boyfriend. Just go to the face, remove, book the candle. Hey, you want to be my girlfriend? If she reject, move to the next girl. I'm sure you somehow will get one. Okay. Times I will book it a little bit of my way of flirting.
No, you
in
can.
general.
You should take as much time as you need. Come on, it's okay.
Because for me, flirting is something that I have to do every day. I don't have to do it just for a sake of someone I like, because I'm single, right? So I'm not flirting with everyone, but I'm open market. Does that make sense?
Okay.
So I'm used to be, by the way. If not, he will kill me later.
Used to be open.
I used to be open.
Currently closed.
Currently
Closed for renovation.
Currently closed.
Closed for upgrade.
So one thing about me is when I go out, and I know I will go out tonight, I always treat myself at, I might want to pick someone like me tonight if I'm a man to go home, to be my date, to be my girlfriend, or to be my partner. So I'm very cautious about how I'm dressing up to go out with my girlfriend or go somewhere public, because I need to give a guy a chance to know me, right? Yeah. So that's, we both always joke like my my boyfriend always joke. I say we don't walk out with X-ray. The joke that we watch online, the guy say, guy don't walk out with X-ray. We don't know your personality. The whole point of me come ask your phone number is just you just damn hot. That's it. Nothing else.
Like you look good.
Yeah. So the key of flirting first is you have to feel like you look in mirror, and even you yourself feel like, wow, she attractive, or wow, he look attractive. And this is something that you have to try and error until you figure out what type of clothes is your style. How short, how long was that? And this one we talked about the episode early on about how to dress up. You guys should go back and watch that if you need to. And then you have your own character and carry yourself. So I still remember like my boy, this is what he told me. Okay, you guys can confirm with him next time if he happen come here. So I will ask him, what made you come to ask me phone number? Because when he entered the restaurant, his face, he looked like
somebody owe him $10,000.
I don't know. I say this, the channel get blocked, but basically his face, because he is Arab, right? His face really looked like he carry bomb and going to bomb the whole restaurant. That's a serious. I'm not joking.
Cho năm nay hơn 70 tuổi mà chưa gặp cái trường hợp nào mà
not true.
He was bad day. He have a bad day. He have a very bad day. He told me after I know him, he wasn't. I said, why on that day
your face so horrible?
Your face look horrible. You look like you want to kill everyone. He said it's right. He's the worst day ever in his career. For many years of working for this company, this is the first time he feel like shit, right? So I'm just happened to meet him in his down, his low. He just not happy until he walked past me. How dare the guy got cross the sexy girl? He walked across me. He sit next to me. He not even want to face me. That's how bad his mood is. Like, I'm not have time for you today, girl. And he really admit. He say, first few seconds I don't want to, because I know you look at me, so I don't want to look at you. So I want to move here. But by move here, he saw my tattoo, and my tattoo have a word very meaningful in Arabic. I like different, like meaning word. Like here I have a Japanese one, and then I have Vietnamese one. So I have different tattoo with different language, because I appreciate different language beauty. So he can read that. And then I drink Arabic drink. So I don't drink a normal drink like a normal girl. And he was shocking about that. Like, wow, she know about Middle Eastern culture, surprisingly, in the Middle Eastern restaurant. And then he go and pick his friend, and somehow his friend goes straight to his seat. So he no choice. He have to sit in my face, right? Like in front, like
diagonally.
Yeah, with our choice. He didn't choose to be, because he just want to be present with his friend. So did I flirt with him? Yes, I am, because he's my type. How do I flirt? So he know the story.
Excuse me.
He know. Yeah. That's I really do that. I'm actually not do. Excuse me, but my dress was somehow bad luck on the day it burst.
Oh, broke on the strap?
Yeah, the strap, this one, like
it broke.
And I was like holding like this, and I crossed to my girlfriend to help me tie. And when you cross on the table, it's just from here to here. It's very near. When you
So
turn
your-
like that,
so your
the
butt-
guy can see your butt.
Yeah, so
Okay,
your butt is in his face. like
exactly,
here.
just beside him, and your boob is been dropped, so it's like he sees something, but not something, not there yet. But it's he saw I call it, and I'm just not even panic. I'm just so relaxed that let my girlfriend fix it. I like okay, I go restroom. But before I go restroom, because the waitress come and keep flirt with me, which is I'm not interested. I'm interested in another guy, you know. Definitely not you. And then we're talking like he give us flower on the table, and I was like, "Oh, you make my single life feel so much better tonight. Thank you." I say that, but I don't look at the waitress. I look at that's called flirting.
Yeah, because she's letting him know that I am single.
I'm a singer.
Did
Come,
it,
you know. So again, everything like she say set a trap. You just have to be preparing yourself to carry yourself everywhere to let people know that you're single.
Yeah.
I go toilet. I didn't expect so he told me his story like he will go to toilet because he want to ask my phone number, but he forget his phone. So I have to go back again the table. And then his friend realized, I said, "Oh, you go and ask her phone number. Good, go." Because he will forget the phone. He go back, take the phone, and he go. And then out of the toilet, I was shocked because I saw him, because I didn't expect he go, because he fake again. He looked like he want to kill everybody. Okay. And he was just so nice. He said, "Oh, you here for traveling or you live here?" I said, "No, I'm live here." I said, "Oh, okay," because he hear me speak different language. I said, "Oh, nice to meet you." I said, "Can I have your numbers? Since I heard you single." I said, "Oh, yeah, he heard it. Good."
It's quite difficult to not hear Anne because her voice very
Wow.
loudly. It's okay.
I think the
I'm
whole
single.
I think the whole restaurant I'm single anyway.
Excuse me,
So
I'm single.
so yeah, we have phone number and we chat after that, and then I send off my friend, he sent off his friend. I mean, both friends kind of understand that
The
these
situation
two,
is going on. Luckily, you got
these two,
smart friends.
yeah, I mean, everybody old enough to know what they're
Your
doing, you
friends
know.
like dumb, like, no, I want to stay somewhere.
And then we meet up after that, but I don't go back with him for the first time meet up, because we both tipsy, and you know what will happen when you're tipsy, you know. And I'm glad I didn't go back, because I think if that will happen, we will be a different story. So yeah, that's what flirting is for me. Is I always ready to give a guy a green light,
Some signal.
and I always ready to be rejected. I'm always ready carry myself and love myself and confident enough to know like even myself, I want to bring myself home, you know.
Yeah.
Which guy don't want to bring myself home tonight? Which is that's already success. So my point is you carry your own confidence. Of course, again, if you're not the guy type, still not going to happen. Okay. I'm not even my boyfriend type at all. He just in the night of, she have a red hair, she have a hot body, she have a
Arabic
cool tattoo, and I want to have her. That's it. That's his honest truth, which is I agree with him, because I saw all his ex-girlfriend photo. I'm not even close near there, you know.
Nice.
I got it.
His ex-girlfriend's very gorgeous.
Yeah, so the end the story I'm trying to say, but I have my own success based on my own best I can carry on myself. Is that make sense? Because
Yes.
if you compare me with Miss Universe, of course I can't, you know, I cannot beat her. But if you can carry me or now 31 with me 18 years old, oh, it's the gap is very far. So that's what I'm saying about
You are the best version of yourself.
myself
right now.
Yeah. That I don't know, 20 years more down the road I will be different. But yeah, that's the bottom line of story, because that's the near and shorter story I can share with you guys about flirting. But for me, if you like someone and if you are the girl, okay, guy, maybe you just maybe you do like my boyfriend, just go to the face, remove, book the candle. Hey, you want to be my girlfriend? If she reject, move to the next girl. I'm sure you somehow will get one, okay? Because it's work. He do that and it work, okay?
He's like, oh, sign, just prepare some ice cream. It's fine.
What?
You know, it's sometimes people tell me why I believe on that so much, right? But I tell them it's just so obvious. I don't know, somehow you don't believe in that. It's just so obvious. You can say each side how they behave. It's just so clear. Okay, it's so clear, because when he do that, do you ask me, did I like it or not? I'm the person that likes stable. It's make me sound like, oh, do you do this for everyone? But I think
It's called resourceful.
the serious of the person set the tone for you when they're serious. It have to come from the eyes contact and
essence.
the energy. You have to feel it. So I can feel like, oh, okay, he's not joking anymore. You better make a decision right now. You know, like
Luckily, you've been trained for a while to make quick
have been trained.
decisions.
Yeah, you have to be trained for fake. Because if you ask me 10 years ago and the guy say that to me, I would flip the table.
No,
I
you
say,
will
who?
freak out.
I will freak out. I'm like, what the hell wrong with you? You just know me for 5 days. You don't even know what color I like. How can you ask me to be girlfriend like that? You need to go more, you know. Now I'm like, okay, just be boyfriend, girlfriend first, and then we figure it out later. Again, you know, something else.
Yes.
Because boyfriend, girlfriend is just a title. We're not going to die. But again, flirting is, but don't flirt when you already have boyfriend, girlfriend. I told you. At that moment, I'm not yet. I still want, because
But the moment she said yes, she had to close her
I
eyes
closed my
to
eyes.
the mushrooms running around.
I know, my God, tell me about that.
The
Remember my birthday?
Yeah, I remember.
I have to turn my back.
She sat with her back to them.
Oh my God, it's a disaster. Normally, I would change my seat to Denise.
Yeah.
Say, Denise, come here. I need to sit there.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, I know why.
You know, but that's night. How do I flirt with my hand?
How do I flirt with her hand?
Damn!
Hello, bro.
What did he say about flirt with hand?
I show you next time when we meet.
Oh,
Break your fingers one by one. Okay? But cannot. He's,
break the whole face for the whole.
no,
the
cannot.
whole
He's
body.
a very big size guy. I think this one is my cousin, if I remember correctly. If I get the
That's
spelling
cousin
correct.
again. It's
Yeah,
the same cousin
He's-
again.
he-
The
he-
same cousin that never want to book avatar on his name. I will break your D, okay? Hand is nothing. Your face, you also don't book that. Okay, that's
But
it for today.
He's a young boy.
Oh, that's all young boy do anyway. That's it for today, guys. I hope that small tip from Denise and me will help you to improve your flirting skill, especially to run away from all these young boy. Definitely flirting skill is don't have. They will definitely will.
Photo of your face lah. Yeah. Okay, enough lah. Couldn't car. Okay, anyway, this is it for today. We hope you share and subscribe. And we will see you guys at the next episode of Spice and Nice.
I am Amanda
And
Spice.
I'm Denise and Nice. Bye.